Integrity. Without it, foundations would fail, and so would our business. That's why we've made it a cornerstone of our company.
Our values direct our actions and how we work with customers.
We fulfill every promise we make. We're honest and ethical in our dealings, and we build long-term relationships founded on trust.
The need to constantly keep improving is self-evident.
When faced with tough choices, we always do the right thing.
We strive to provide our customers with an all-in-one solution, from foundation repair to home remodeling.
We take action to get the job done. We don't make excuses. We work together to keep the project moving.
Helping people improve their homes one step at a time.
We lead the industry by delivering quality, timely services that exceed expectations.
We improve the lives of our clients. We treat them like family and friends and communicate each step of the way.
We take pride in what we do.
Honesty,
Ethics,
Honor,
Pride,
integrity,
dedication,
Commitment,
Principle. Character.
This is what we believe in.
This is who we are.